Morning guys, welcome to another day just out getting the steps up. A bit warm this morning, 7 a.m. Lovely, fresh, cool day. Just a quick one, just thanks to everybody for their support and their kind words after yesterday's post. I say, I'm all good, just got to learn to adapt and work with it. Just a quick one, not going to dwell on it. As some of you know, I was very fortunate to live in Thailand for a couple of years, whatever it was. I'm going to be honest with you, if I hadn't have come back to the UK, I probably would never have gone to the doctor and had a blood test and made sure I was good and had an MOT. So the only thing I can say to you all, please guys, especially if you're living abroad, take a week's beer money, take a couple of days out of your life, go to the nearest city, go to the hospital and get yourself checked out, okay? Especially those of you that are similar ages to myself, the latter year, well, not latter, but 50-ish. Get yourself checked out. There's a couple of good friends of mine that are course directors in the Thailand region. One of you might be in California at the moment. Guys, please don't take the piss out yourselves, okay? Look after yourselves, take it easy and get yourself checked out. Have a wonderful day, guys. Enjoy yourself, don't forget, get out, get some fresh air, get some exercise. And yeah, see you in the next one.